Well, hello, beautiful friends. Here we are. We had to stop and take a break because we are tired. As you know, on our last video, we started planning up a whole bunch of plants and we've made a little bit of a mess, but now we're sitting here and I think, what do you think, Nick? I think we need to do this table.
I think we're about to a point where we can clean it off and get the table going.
Yeah. So cheers, my friend.
Cheers to the table decor is coming.
Cheers, guys. And stay tuned because this is going to be really cute. I had an inspiration pick. You know me and my inspiration picks. I'm not going to follow it completely, but I'm going to try my best to get kind of close to it. So it's going to be pretty. Stay tuned. All right, we're gonna start off with putting this beautiful gold tablecloth on. Let's do it.
Ooh, ooh. Oh, that was a B.
This way?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a little over the top, but I wanna go over the top with this. I know I'm gonna have to take some of the stuff inside when it, because of the weather, but we're really gonna decorate this out.
And keep in mind, only a few of these items are new. A lot of this stuff is reused from your house.
Yep.
I brought a few things from mine. So we're just kind of using what we have and adding a few little new things to it.
Mm-hmm.
So not super expensive.
Then what I'm gonna do is I want this to look like a triangle. So what we need to do is we need to make it a square in order to get it to be a backward square. I don't know. Okay, so then we're gonna have that point and this point at the middle, like so. There you go. Okay.
That's
Woo.
pretty exciting because I am very traditional and I would have just thought just a normal table runner, but why does it have to be just a table runner? It
Right.
can be any shape you want it.
Yep.
Do whatever you like, get crazy with it.
Mm-hmm. And I think I am gonna put my bird cage back up, you guys. One of the plants that we planted earlier, we're just gonna pop it in there. What about some pumpkins, Nick? And maybe some leaves in here? What you putting on there, Nick?
This mum is the prettiest color you've ever seen. It is like orange, like pale orange with purple tips.
It's beautiful.
It's just gorgeous. See how it's gonna go here. I think it's really pretty.
Okay, what else do we need? Let's just do pumpkins.
All right, we're just putting out pumpkins.
We're gonna go crazy with pumpkins, you guys. Oh, wow.
Looks great. I see some spots for mums, maybe.
Yeah, let's do some mom.
Maybe?
Oh, yes.
Yes?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Looked like it needed one there. It's kind of gonna be a work in progress, right?
Yeah,
We're just trying it out. Seeing what we like. I love that guy.
that's one of our favorites. Okay, let's try this. We're gonna try this floral. I don't know if I'm gonna love it, so let's just go try it.
What are we doing with it?
Just gonna tuck it kind of
Like in between, just add a little.
like pull a pumpkin out and tuck
Yep.
it. Maybe a little tail come out on the end, going down on the side of the table, Nick.
Okay.
Ooh, sort of like it. I think now candlesticks.
Ooh.
We forgot about those, didn't we? See, we're just kind of decorating as we go. You just kind of fill it and see what you love. And look, you guys, we found these adorable placemats. They're so cute. And Nick, only if we had some really cute plates.
Oh, what do you know?
Woo! How beautiful are they? Oh, love those. Hobby Lobby, y'all. back in. And Nikki, I think I want to add something.
Okay, what? What you got?
I have this old wood wagon. Got it from an antique sale, like the Scott's Antique Market. And you guys, I literally got this for $2. You're gonna crack up.
Okay, so that chair?
We're gonna move this.
Oh, okay.
And I want to put a wagon right here.
Okay.
You guys, we don't know what we're doing here. We're just playing around. So, that's cute.
It's cute.
Let's do a little, because it is old, it's really, really old. Let's do a little bit of fabric in it. Nothing major. And this is from Nikki's house. Just,
I don't know.
Hope you don't care if it gets a little dirty, Nick.
Thanksgiving
Oh,
tablecloth, probably.
We're just gonna kind of messy, not anything real neat. Okay.
See, I would not have done messy.
Yeah.
It looks great. I wouldn't have done that.
Yeah.
I tend to be,
Yeah,
I'd want to smooth it out and have it all.
No,
It looks great messy.
We want to get messy. Now, what did we have there?
The stuff in the back. You want me to, want to grab it?
Yeah, let's put it on.
Okay.
Okay.
That's super cute. It's adorable. Ooh. Oh, look at that cute owl. Hello, Mr. Owl. He added a whole another level there.
Another level? Oh,
yes,
that's cute.
He's adorable.
Okay. Okay, guys, so you saw this pillow. I stole it from the bench in the sunroom. But I stole it because look, this green is going to go so good with fall. It's going to go so good with Christmas. And it'll go good with spring next year. So it's like a quadruple duty pillow.
That looks really comfy. I can't wait to sit down there on it.
Well, you can come out here in the morning with coffee.
Woohoo!
And I do this every time. I should put my throw on first. So look how cozy this is. Just gonna kind of push it over to the side. Remember, we don't want things to be perfect, so we just want it to look like it's just thrown there.
Well, that is cute.
Stay cozy.
Goes with your cozy throw.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Cute.
It's dreamy.
I think that's it. Oh, I do want to add just some more mums and some more, just some more stuff. Because we have it, let's add it.
All right. Okay, we're just adding some finishing touches. She had some stuff she wanted to put out. Some dried hydrangeas, some more mums. I'm gonna switch some out at the top up here. Let's give it a little color.
Oh yeah, that does give it a little color. Man, we're getting our exercise in today. All right, guys, of course, you know, where did this come from?
Flea market or auction.
Steve surprised me with it. I actually have two of them, and I usually decorate inside with it, but I thought, wouldn't this be cute out here? And at nighttime, we can light the candles. So I'm just gonna sit it back here. Just tuck it in there. Kind of like that. And then I found 3 candles. So we're going with 3 candles. We're just gonna slide these in. These are battery operated, so I'll go get some batteries.
Well, that's cute.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't think there's a rule on too many pumpkins. I think the more
I
the
don't know
better.
if we have enough.
I think there's always room for more. Okay, ta-da!
Ta-da! One last thing. I asked my husband to blow all the leaves except for the magnolia leaves. And he was like, what? And I was like, yeah, I want to keep the magnolia leaves. So just blow everything else, but save me these. And he was so sweet to pile them up for me. I thought it was so sweet. So, but you guys, I'm just going to sprinkle these through. Look at this.
That Steve is a real gem.
Look at
He's a real
these
gem.
leaves.
Will you keep him, please?
I know, right? Look at that, you guys.
Those look amazing.
Steve was like, what? You want me to say the magnolia leaves?
I'm surprised he questions anything because he knows you have like a great ideas.
I just don't think he first knew what exactly magnolia tree was.
Oh, well, that is true.
No, he knows.
That would be true.
I can't throw him that far.
Well, this was above and beyond what I mean, I knew she has like this amazing talent to do this, but she just kept adding things and I'm like, oh my gosh, it just looks amazing. Like I can't get over all of it. I can't get over this. This was just a little like light lantern little thing and she just put that over top of her mom. I would have thought. The little owl is one of my favorite little things. She just dropped that in. I mean, we did have one last thing that we forgot to put on, and this is official now. It is officially fall. We're gonna wait till it gets dark. We're gonna come out, light some candles, take some video for you. So tune in to see how this looks at night because I think it is gonna be so dreamy. Now you go out and find your passion.
Yes, find your passion, you guys.
Thanks for watching.
I know we always say this, but look how cute these pumpkin glasses we have. Nikki got me these for fall last year, and we have a little bit of a drink in it, and we want to do a cheers. Cheers!
Job well done, my friend.
Stay cozy.